Hello friends, today we will learn new examples. In these examples, you can see we have to prepare the profit and loss accounts. So here many things given regarding the forming part of the balance sheet, but we do not have to consider as like equity share capital, land and building. It is the part of the balance sheet, but we will not consider here. So we will start from the sales. Sales will be considered under the note number 1, revenue from operations. Next, interest on investment 7,000, 5,000 will be considered under the note of 2, other income. Next, director fee 15,000 will be considered as a working note 9, other expenses. Sundry debtors is given rupees 1 lakh. So here adjustments that we have to consider. Provision, adjustment number 3, provision for bid dates and doubtful dates is to be created 8% on sundry debtors. So the 8% on amount of rupees 1 lakh means 8,000 rupees we have to consider as a bid date reserves. And bid dates rupees 5,000 it is given. So both the thing bid dates and bid date reserve rupees 8,000 will be considered under the note number 9, other expenses. Go to the next. Wages 26,000 will be considered as a note number 6, employee benefit expenses. So wages 26,000. Next, carries inward 10,000 will be considered as a other expenses, working note number 9. Advertisement expenses rupees 8,000 also we will consider as a working note number 9, other expenses. Here 10% debentures rupees 1 lakh is given. It is shown in the balance sheets, but in the profit and loss account we have to consider the 10% interest on debenture 10%. So the 10% on 1 lakh, so it become 10,000 will be considered here as a finance cost. Debenture interest 10,000, 10% on the 1 lakh, so rupees 10,000 will be considered as a finance cost. Provident fund contributions rupees 10,000 also shown under the note of working note 6, employee benefit expenses. After the PF contribution 10,000, next 2,36,000 rupees will be considered as a 3, cost of material consumed. Here sales return 5,000 will be deducted from the sales and purchase return 16,000 will be deducted from the purchase. With debts 5,000 as other expenses, note number 9. Salary 60,000 will be considered as a note number 6, employee benefit expenses. Here adjustment is there, adjustment number 4. So we have to give the effect of the outstanding salaries 12,000. So the rupees 12,000 will be added in the 60,000. Opening stock raw materials 15,000, finished good 5,000 will be considered as a changes in inventory. Administrative expenses 40,000 will be considered as a note number 9, other expenses. Overdraft 6,000 will be considered as a note number 7 in the finance cost. Then overdraft 6,000. So go to the prepare profit and loss accounts. Revenue from operations, net number 1. Note 1. Revenue from operation sales 8,75,000. Sales return 5,000 will be deducted. 8,70,000 will be returned in the profit and loss accounts. 8,70,000. Go to the note number 2, other income. Other income, interest on investments 7,500. 7,500 total. 8,77,500. Go to the expenses. Note number 3, cost of material consumed. Working note 3, cost of material consumed. Purchase 2,36,000. Purchase return 16,000 will be deducted. Net 2,20,000. 2,20,000. Purchase of stock in trade, no item is there. Changes in inventory. Opening stock, raw material 15,000. Finished good 5,000, total 20,000. Clothing stock will be deducted. Raw material 40,000. Finished good 35,000. So the opening stock, both the thing, raw material and finished good, total 20,000. Closing stock, both the raw material and finished good 75,000. So the minus 55,000 will be shown in the profit and loss account, minus 55,000. Go to the note 6. Employee benefit expenses, salary 16,000. Outstanding salary as per the adjustment number 4, 12,000. Total 72,000. Wages 26,000. Contribution in PF 10,000. Total 1,08,000 will be shown in the profit and loss account. 1,08,000. Go for the calculation of note number 7, financial cost. Financial cost, bank overdraft 6,000, interest on debenture 10,000, total 16,000. Depreciations, note 8, depreciation as per the adjustment number 2, 10% on fixed assets, land and building include the cost of building 2,50,000. So here land and building 25,000, others 5,000, 30,000 will be considered here. Go to the note number 9, other expenses. Director fee 15,000, carries inward 10,000, advertisement 8,000, bad debts 5,000, bad debt reserve 8% on rupees 1,08,000, administrative expenses 40,000, total 86,000 will be considered here. Go to the profit and loss account, other expenses 86,000. Now we will make the total of expenses 4,05,000. Go for the calculation of profit. So the total income 8,77,500 minus expenditure 4,05,000. Amount of profit 4,72,500. No amount of tax is given. So profit after tax 4,72,500. No appropriation is there. So the amount of profit 4,72,500 is the answers. Okay.